Warm welcome to all. Now we will see about factory design and layout in the course organization of garment unit. Factory design is very important according to the type of product and the nature of production. We have to arrange all the machineries and equipments in such a way that we have to complete all the process. Then we have to arrange according to the storage space, the utility area and all. Then when coming to the importance of factory layout, we have to see about the production flow, then production quantity, then workflow, then labors, availability of labors, then machineries, manpowers, suppliers, all these things we have to look after. Then we have to see the workers' safety also. Then you are coming to the factors affecting factory design. We have to look about the type of product, then what are the machines available, then the type of material used, then quantity, then from where we are getting the orders, then where we have to deliver the orders, then workflow size, then safety measures like electricity, fire and all. We have to control everything. Then safety measures we have to keep it. Then space, then materials, all these things we have to look after that. Then by coming to the type of buildings, single story and multi-story are two types of layouts. In single story we are using only one floor. In the same ground floor we are doing all the process. In multi-story, like first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, like that we are expanding the layout areas. Then next one, product layout. There are two types. One is product layout and the other one is combined layout. In product layout, we are arranging the machines according to sequence, like laning, spreading, cutting, stitching, like that. Then the combined layout, we are doing all the things at a time, like based on the design of the product, style of the product, type of the product, then material. We are arranging all the machineries, and within at a time we are able to produce more designs like jean tops. Okay. Is it clear? What is the factory layout? Factory layout means arranging the machineries, manpower, all these things according to the type of production, nature of the product. We are arranging the machines in such a way that we have to cover all the process within a limited time. The importance of factory layout. Importance of factory layout means we have to reduce the quantity within a limited time. Within a prescribed time, we have to produce it. So the cost of the production we have to look after that. Then machineries, then manpower, then safety features, then availability of space. All these things we have to look after.
What are the factors
Factors affecting means we have to see the type of product, then production volume, then what are all the process sequence we are going to follow, then machineries we are going to use, then manpower, like that we have to see. Then we are coming to the type of building of single and multi-story. Single means in only one all the classes. In multi-story, like first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, we are splitting the classes. Is it clear?